Two trains, one from Howrah to Patna and other train from Patna to Howrah, start simultaneously. After they meet, the train reach their destinations after 9 hours and 16 hours respectively. The ratio of their speeds is. Okay, so there is this distance from Howrah to Patna, and let's call these two trains A and B, and train A is moving from Howrah to Patna and train B is moving from Patna to Howrah. Okay, after they meet, the trains reach their destination after 9 hours and 16 hours respectively. So what the question is trying to tell me here is that both the trains are moving towards each other and they meet each other at, let's say, point M. At point M they meet each other, and after meeting, train A takes 9 hours to reach its destination, which is Patna, and after meeting each other, train B takes 16 hours to reach its destination, which is Howrah. Okay, and the ratio of their speeds is, okay, so let the speed of train A be speed SA and let the speed of train B be SB. Okay, now to solve this question, I'll use a particular formula, and after that I'll tell you the concept behind that formula. Alright, now whenever there is a question where two places are given and two trains are moving towards each other, they meet at certain point, and after meeting, train A takes, let's say, TA time to reach its destination, and after meeting, train B take, let's say, TB time to reach its destination. Then in such cases we use the formula which says SA over SB is equals to under root TB over TA. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, now let's solve this. We need the ratio of their speeds, so we need this, right? So SA over SB is equals to under root TB here is 16, TA here is 9, and we know that the square root of 16 is 4, square root of 9 is 3. So we have got our answer, which is the ratio of their speeds, which is 4:3, and this is our required answer. Alright, now let's look at the concept behind this formula. Okay, now let's see that. I'll write it here again quickly. This is Howrah, this is Patna. Train A is moving from Howrah to Patna, train B is moving from Patna to Howrah. They both together meet at point M, and after meeting, train A takes 9 hours to reach its destination, and after meeting, train B takes 16 hours to meet its destination. Let's call this time taken by A as TA and time taken by B as TB. Okay, we have also assumed that the speed of train A is SA and speed of train B as SB. Okay, now train A and train B, they meet at point M at the same time, right? That means the time taken by A to reach point M from H and time taken by B to reach point M from P is the same. So let's call that time T. Alright, now we'll divide this length in two different parts. First part will be H to M. Okay, so let's focus on this part first. So this is H, this is M. Train A is moving towards M, train B is moving towards H. Okay, also train A takes T time to reach M and train B takes 16 hours. Okay, now we know that distance is equals to speed into time, right? And in this case, the distance for both the trains A and B is the same, right? HM. So in both the trains, distance here is constant. So from this we can imply S1 T1 is equals to S2 T2, right? S1 here being speed of train A and time taken by train A is T is equals to S2 here being speed of train B into time taken by B is 16. Let's call this equation 1. Now let's focus on the other part of the length, which is MP. So this is M, this is P. A is moving towards P, B is moving towards M. We know that A takes 9 hours to reach P and B takes T time to reach M. Okay, now again we know that distance is equals to speed into time, and for both trains A and B, distance here is common, which is MP. So here for both the trains, distance is common. From this we can imply that S1 T1 is equals to S2 T2, S1 here being speed of A and time taken by train A is 9 hours, is equals to S2 here being speed of train B and time taken by B is T. Okay, let's call this equation 2. Now we have equation 1, we have equation 2. Now let's divide equation 1 by equation 2. Okay, so we have equation 1, which is SA into T is equals to SB into 16 divided by SB into T is equals to SA into 9. Let's divide this, so we get rid of T here, and this SA goes on this left hand side, we get SA square, and SB goes here, we get SB square, or I can say that this is SA over SB whole square, right? And on the left hand side, on the right hand side, we are left with 16 over 9, and when we remove this square, we add a square root, so we have SA over SB, which is 16:9, or we can say that this is 4:3, or we can also say that this is SA over SB is equals to under root 16. What is this 16? 16 is TB, and this 9 is TA, and this is the formula that we used to solve this problem earlier, right? So this is how this formula come into picture. So I have told you the concept behind this formula, and we have also got our answer, which is 4:3. So here option B is the correct one.